You're gonna miss me.
Just don't tell them.
Okay.
So hi guys, we are now officially in Rhode Island, Providence. Yes guys, let's start this 24-hour tour with the Providence capital. So if you are traveling here in Rhode Island guys by Amtrak, so this Capitol Hill is the closest landmark for tourists that you can visit. So it's literally like 10 minutes walk. And for this trip we are trying to be a backpacker, so I don't want to spend too much money on Uber and Lyft, so we are trying to walk everything. If it's below 20 minutes walk, then we will do it. So I guess I'm gonna close my rings today. Definitely yes. So from the Capitol Hill we are going to Brown University, which is like 17 minutes walk. So I'll see you guys there. So yes guys, we are just walking around and it feels so much calm in here compared to Philly, New York, or New Jersey. This is just like a suburb kind of vibe. Not much traffic, but yeah, it's so nice in here. Tranquil. This is really the literal definition of College Hill, because it's really a hill and I'm like out of breath. So yes guys, we're like 2 minutes away from Brown University and let's go. So now I'm in Brown University, where I will send my future kid if we can afford, of course. But yeah, this school is really nice. Like this is like their main gate right here, and it has the Brown University logo, and they have like the big clock over there. But yeah, I think this is really an expensive one. So honestly guys, the Brown University is kind of giving me the Suleiman University in my country kind of vibe. It's like a big campus with different colleges and halls. So yeah, So I get that's like a mini tour because I was really getting tired. So right now, guys, I'm really hungry because I have a boat tour at 3 o'clock and I need to be there at 2:45. So time check, it's 1:13. It's like a 16 minutes walk going to the main entrance of that. So we are going there right now. Let me take a picture first. Right now, guys, we're gonna eat lunch here while waiting for my boat trip at 3 o'clock. So time check, it's 2:04, so I still have enough time to eat, and then yeah, I'll see you guys later. So right now, guys, we are in Roger Zoo for this lantern, Asian lantern activity. So after I finish here in the zoo, guys, I'm gonna check into my Airbnb. Actually, I still didn't check in. I still have my bag with me right here carrying all over the trip just because they're very strict on their check-in time, which is 3 p.m. so there's no point in going there. I'm just waiting for my Lyft. It's $14 and it's like almost 20 minutes ride. And yes, guys, I'm gonna show you my Airbnb place. It was 60 bucks. It was cheap, so let's see if it's worth it. morning, guys. It's day 2 of our Rhode Island trip. So right now, as you can see, I am in this building. This is like in Federal Hill, one of the historic places that you can visit here in Rhode Island. And this is the Burnaby Palace. So yeah, it's closed. It's like a museum inside, and right now, guys, we're just gonna tour here in Federal Hill. I'm gonna eat brunch, and then yeah, my train will be 2 p.m. so I need to go back to the train station before 2 o'clock. So I'll see you guys later. So right now, guys, I'm back here in Providence Station. My train will be 2:19 p.m. So I'll see you guys next month in Boston, Massachusetts. See ya!